This device has no apps, no games, but it can done all the tasks and all the work which can be done by the smartphone 10 times faster. This device has mic, camera, display, speaker and all the AI stuff that can be run by large action model. It is an online which can run by the cloud. This device cost around roughly 16,000 in India, which is much cheaper than any other smartphone available in India. If you want to book a cab, all you have to say, I need to book a cab to this place, and that's it. It will complete all the tasks and book a cab for you. You have a plan to go to Paris. It will check and book flight tickets, hotel, cab for you. All you need to have to order it to book. One thing, this device looks gorgeous, the Rabbit R1. But do you think people replace their smartphone with this device because